My name is Sid Simon, and I'm from Farmington Hills, Michigan. And one of my favorite songs is from the Yiddish stage, and it's called Mazl. And I can give you just a little bit of it. Mazl, du scheinst einmal für jeden nur nicht von mir. Mazl, du gibst einmal jeden Frieden, was versäumst du mein Tier. That's the beginning of it.
And why is that your favorite?
It's a plaintive song that basically it describes the plight of individuals whose life has been plagued by unhappiness, and seemingly everyone else is fortunate, but not the singer. But it's a tender and lovely song. Much out of the folk music is matched by what came from the Yiddish stage over the course of 30 or 40 years of truly beautiful music. And
Schönen Dank.
it's nicht verwusst zu sagen.